Hi class, I just wanted to welcome you to college algebra. This is summer 2021. We have 10 weeks to cover a great deal of topics, so I hope that you're ready to get down to doing some work. Um, if we go here to content, then we can go scroll down to getting started. You want to go through this whole module, okay? So work your way through this. It'll help you better understand the course. My math lab, this is really important that you learn about my math lab. Then the syllabus is up here, all the pacing schedules, how to get points on the discussion board, and so on. So then after you've gone through this, if you go to course material, each week is broken down. So this is week 1, June 1st through June 8th. And here are the topics. So you'll have A1, 1-3, B4, B6. So it tells you what to do. So for each one, each section, there are steps to follow. You want to complete the video assignment and watch the video lecture. You want to do your homework, then do a reading assessment, and then take a quiz. So that's going to be your iteration. Each time you get a different section, you're going to do those things. And then weekly, you will also have a discussion. So you might have several quizzes in a week. Like this week, you might have 4 different quizzes, and then you'll have a discussion. So here's the different discussions for the first week. Okay, I hope that's enough to get you started. Please reach out if you have questions. I'm here to help you. Min is our supplemental instruction leader, and she's here to help you too. She'll introduce herself on here very soon. And I look forward to having a great summer with you. Thanks.